It's a chilly evening out there, but here's a great song to get you dancing.
I can see that you're running faster, running from some kind of disaster in your heart. They say you're too young to know the feeling, still your head is reeling from the pain. We're gonna run to yeah, your mama and daddy don't know you, while everybody's trying to show you why you're wrong. So you're packing your bags and leaving, and thinking someday you'll get even with them all. Then you're out on your own for the first time, looking back for the last time. How do you feel? We're gonna run to what do you do just to keep your love? Where are you going to run away? We're gonna run to, we're gonna run and hide. We're gonna find the answers, run away. In the dark of night where there's no one to hold your hand. Out in the streets, all alone and feeling just like you're never going home. Then it makes you start remembering who you are and where you've been, my friend. Then you watch your sweet talking Johnny dance, who gave you the world just to get in your bags. You think it's love. What do you do just to keep your love? Where are you going to run away? We're gonna run to, we're gonna run and hide. Will you find the answers? Run away. In the dark of night where there's no one to hold your hand.
Daniel, your tea's ready.
In the dark
Daniel, I'm going to shoot the boots off you if you don't stop mucking about with your bike and come and get your tea. Oh dear, what do you like?